Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm really happy to see you here, and here we are. As usual, we are going to do trading, and so you can learn some tips and tricks how to do it successfully. So guys, I want to remind you, if you are new to this channel, then you should definitely subscribe and put a big thumbs up to this video, as well as turn on notifications so you don't miss my new videos. And if you are still not in my closed group where I'm sharing trading signals, you still have time to enter that group. How to do that? Then it's super easy. You just should write a code signal in my Telegram account. The link to it will be in the description box. Today we'll try to work on certain patterns in the market. Let's try to work on them. As you know, I like to work on support and resistance levels, as well as internal levels, also downtrends, uptrends, and other market situations. Be sure to watch this video till the end, because with the right approach, the strategy will work well. Perhaps you like this trading method, so you can apply it for yourself. Just at the moment there is a good entry point, so I'll explain all the situation for you. Here we see that there was a good confident downward movement. There was an upward pullback from a certain point, and after just 5 minutes the price again approached the same point. There was also a slight upward pullback, and in this situation I propose to open a deal for 2 minutes to decrease. Here we see that at the moment there is a certain compression of a certain level of support, and after the second touch there was a slight pullback up. And there is a fading. Just after the opening transaction, the price moves down again. The price here also has a good potential for a decrease, and in this situation it is more likely that level will be broken. And I think 2 minutes will be quite enough, even with the possible pro trade. So guys, let's wait for the end of our deal. Okay guys, it's not bad. As you can see, the price really broke through this level. Also after the breakout there was a logical pullback up, but we still make a profit. This situation has worked out quite well, but I suggest we continue. We see the resistance level, and we also see that there was a good uptrend here. There was also a pullback, and now the price is again approaching our level with fairly impulsive confident candles. Also, at the moment the price is rolling down again, and here I suggest opening a deal for 2 minutes to increase. I think that in the near future the price will continue its upward movement, because the price here also has an excellent potential for an increase, and it is more likely that it will continue its movement to this level. And so guys, let's wait for the end of our deal. Okay guys, it's not bad. The price has really continued its upward movement, and we are making profit here. The price has a really good potential for an increase, and we also see that at the moment the price has not yet reached the resistance level. Therefore, we can try to open the next deal right here, and at the moment there is a certain level of compression. I think it will be broken through in the near future. Therefore, we will open the next deal again for an increase of 2 minutes. I think that 2 minutes will be quite enough here, also taking into account the possible pro trade or small pullback down. And so guys, let's wait for the end of our deal. Well guys, great! As you can see, the price really continues to move up. This level has been broken through, and we are getting a good confident profit. Let's continue and search for the next situation. Here we have an internal support level, and a little lower I have marked the zone of the beginning of the main support level. We see that the price has already broken through this internal level, moving towards the main one. Therefore, here I propose to open a deal for 2 minutes to decrease. I think that in this situation the price is more likely to continue its downward movement. After all, the main price highs are also getting lower. The price is an excellent potential for a decrease. I think 2 minutes here will be quite enough. And so guys, let's wait for the end of our deal. Okay, it's not bad. The price continued to move towards the support level, and we are making profit here. These patterns work themselves out perfectly. Let's consider the following situation. There is a resistance level on top here, and we also see that there is a good confident upward movement here, especially recently 2 impulse green candles. In this situation, I propose to open a deal literally for 1 minute to decrease. I think that after the impulse movement to the level, there will be a corrective movement, at least a small pullback down, and 1 minute will be quite enough here. And so guys, let's wait for the end of our deal. Okay, great guys, the price really got into the corrective zone. There has been a pullback down and we are making profit here. Let's continue consider the following situation. Here we have resistance level. We also see that after confident upward movement from the level there was a pullback. After the rollback the price approached our level again. There is a kind of compression. Here I propose to open a deal for 2 minutes to increase. I think that in the near future the price will continue to move up and it is also possible that this level will be broken since the price here also has an excellent potential increase. I think 2 minutes here will be quite enough even taking into account a possible pro trade. So guys, let's wait for the end of our deal. Great guys, this level has been broken through and we are getting a great confident profit. 2 minutes was enough for us and let's continue consider the following situation. Here we see the resistance level. We also see that after the level is compressed, the price is already starting to go beyond it. Here I propose to open a deal literally for 1 minute to increase. I think that this level will be broken in the near future since the price here also has a good potential for an increase. 1 minute here will be quite enough even taking into account a small pullback down. I think that we will get into very impulse price movement in the very level breakout. And so guys, let's wait for the end of our deal. Okay guys, not bad, the price still broke through this level and went up and we are making profit here. In this situation 1 minute was quite enough for us, so far everything is going great. Let's continue and search for another situation in the market. We see the resistance level. We also see that at the moment the price has broken through this level, it has confidently gone up. And after breaking through, the price has slowed down a little and is starting to roll back down. Let's open a deal here for 2 minutes to decrease. I think that in the near future there will be a corrective moment, at least a small pullback down, since as in most cases after an impulse breakout of the level a corrective moment sets in. 2 minutes also with a margin taking into account that if the price will rise up for some time and only then the reversal will occur. And so guys, let's wait for the end of our deal. It's not bad guys, the price really got into the corrective zone, there has been a pullback down and we are making profit here. 2 minutes was just enough for us, these situations worked out well themselves and let's continue. Here we see the level of support. We also see that at the moment the price has reached our level by impulse, it is already beginning to go beyond it. A false breakout occurred, the price rolled back up. Here I propose to open a deal for 2 minutes to decrease. I think that this level will be broken in the near future, the full price will go down because the price here also has a good potential for a decrease. I think 2 minutes here will be quite enough and so guys, let's wait for the end of our deal. Great guys, this level has been broken through and we are making a great confident profit. The price has really great potential for a decrease. Let's continue. Here we see the resistance level. We also see that the price has reached the level. After the touch there was a rollback, but after the rollback price moves back to our level. There is a kind of compression. Also the main price lows are getting higher. The price has a good potential to increase. Here I propose to open a deal for increase 2 minutes. I think that this level will be broken in the near future. Just at the moment the price is starting to go beyond our level with an impulse. 2 minutes also with a margin taking into account a small pullback down or a possible pro trade. But so far at the moment there is a good confident upward movement, so I think 2 minutes will be quite enough. And so guys, let's wait for the end of our deal. Okay guys, quite good. As you can see, the price really broke through this level. We managed to close our deal in profit. Also, after breaking through the level, a logical rollback came down and this situation worked out well. Let's continue. Here we see the resistance level. We also see that at the moment the price has approached our level with a fairly confident impulse candles. There is also an impulse to the top. Here proposed to open a deal literally for 1 minute to go down. I think that after a confident upward movement, a corrective movement will come in the near future. At least a small pullback down, since it was the first touch of this level after a long time, and 1 minute will be quite enough. And so guys, let's wait for the end of our deal. Okay, great guys, the price really got into the corrective zone. There has been a pullback down and we are making profit here. In this situation, 1 minute was enough for us. Meanwhile, I already have $2,500 on deposit, so I just think that we will find one more suitable situation in the market and open the last deal. Here we have a resistance level, and we also see that after the pullback the price approached our level again and some kind of compression occurs. In this situation I suggest opening a deal for 1 minute to increase. Just at the moment the price is already starting to go beyond this level. I think that it will be broken in the near future. The price here also has an excellent potential for increase in general. And I think 1 minute here will be quite enough, even taking into account small pullback down or a possible pro trade. And so guys, let's wait for the end of our deal. Great guys, this level has been broken through and we are making profit here. The price really continues upward movement. Meanwhile, I already have $3,000 on deposit and I suggest we end this because I already fulfilled my plans for today. So with this result, I finish the trading and leave the market. That's it for today guys. Thank you for watching this video till the end. If you didn't put the big thumbs up to this video, please do that right now. And I will see you in the next video.